Good morning, students. Today we will start the new chapter, constitutional design. Constitutional design, how constitution was made in India, why we need constitution. So all the basic things about constitution. In NCERT book, the chapter starts with a story from South Africa, but this year the syllabus has been slightly changed, and the first two pages, which are about South African constitution, have been deleted. So, what is constitution? Constitution is a set of written rules that are accepted by the people of a country. Okay, these are the rules and which everyone in the country accept, because we will follow this. So that is constitution. And why we need constitution? First, it generates trust and coordination among the people, that people can live peacefully. People have trust among each other. We can live in this manner if the rules are accordingly. Then it specifies how the government will be formed, constituted. There will be election for the member of parliament. They will choose the prime minister. How president will be elected. All these things, and who will have power. This is also explained in the constitution. Prime minister will be head of the government, he will be doing these all work, president will be the nominal head. All these things are specified in the constitution. Clear? Next, it limits the power of the government. If a government become autocratic, then constitution is there to control the government, limit the government. Example like in the previous chapter, Zimbabwe, Robert Mugabe was the elected ruler, but he became like dictator. He took all the power. So, if a constitution is there, it will limit the power of the government. Government cannot do whatever it wants. If a government thinks that this is right, then they can do that. There should be limit to the power of the government. Government should not become autocratic. So, this is also very important. Then, it expresses the aspirations of the people in creating a good society. How good society can be created, how people will have trust among each other, how they will work properly for the development of the nation, how good society will be made. All these things are also in the constitution. Clear? Now, the making of Indian constitution. In making of Indian constitution, there were many problems being faced. First problem was partition. India was from 1946, the Constituent Assembly started working, and the problem was of partition. In 1947, India was divided. India and Pakistan, two countries were made, and that too on the religious basis. Lakhs of people were killed in this, on both the sides of the border. So this was also one of the major problems which was faced. One side they had said that it will not be Pakistan said it will not be a secular country. Now in India, now it was difficult to make a firm decision that we will be a secular country. And finally we adopted to be a secular country. So it was not an easy task, because people were they were not happy with each other on communal basis. Then there was second problem of princely states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, MP. There were many princely states. Princely state means that time India was some part of the India was ruled by Britishers. Bengal, Madras, Bombay, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. There were some regions which were ruled by the local kings like Udaipur. So, the future of princely state was not sure, because British government said that these princely states, if they want to be with India, they can be with India, or if they want to join Pakistan, they can join Pakistan, or if they want to remain independent, that is also their choice. So merger of princely state was also a difficult task. So this was also one of the problems which the constitution maker have faced. Then they were having anxiety. Actually, in 1947, they were not very sure how India will look after independence, because they were recently got independence. People were being transformed from subject to citizen. Now, how they will work, how they will work together, how the India will government will be framed, etc. So they were having lot of anxiety about the future कि भाई कैसा होगा, whether all the things will be favorable or again there will be some problem, etc. Even Britishers, it is there is one story famous okay, when we were able to make our constitution. Britishers were so much shocked कि अच्छा you have made a constitution which is acceptable by all the religious group, all the regional groups, all the linguistic group, and everybody accepted. So that was a big surprise for them. So this anxiety was also there. So these were some of the problems, communal rights, etc. But there were many good things also, which were there for the making Indian constitution. First, consensus. Consensus means normally in Hindi, which we call aam sehmati. How India should look, whether it will be a republic, socialist, or like a democratic country. And this consensus had been developed in the freedom struggle itself. While freedom struggle only, we decided that how the independent India should be like. We decided that we will treat everyone equally. We will not have any kind of this person is inferior, superior. Nothing like this will be there. No partiality, no inequality will be there. Everyone will be equal. Then in 1928, Motilal Nehru had made one constitution. So many of our ideas were derived from that constitution also. In that constitution, whatever decision Motilal Nehru and other leaders have made, we adopted those ideas also. So we were having some kind of ideas. यहाँ पे consensus, आम सहमति. Some ideas we took from this constitution which was made in 1928. 1931, Karachi session. In Karachi session, 6 days after the death of Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev, Rajguru, etc., the session was held. People, top Congress leader went to Karachi to attend this session, and in that session, Congress leaders firmly gave one कि भाई we want Purna Swaraj, that is complete independence. So it was situation was very odd situation, and in that situation, Congress leaders adopted one thing that there will be fundamental rights given to our people. So this was first adopted in the Karachi session. We have the right to speech, expression, equality. All these things were adopted. In India, after Purna Swaraj, we will have all these things. So in Karachi session itself, most of the things we decided. It will not be a monarchy, it will be like this. So such things were we adopted in Karachi session. 1931. 1928, the constitution was made by Motilal Nehru. Then political institutions. Working in political institutions have also gave us many ideas. That time there were provincial legislative council, imperial council, that was like parliament. There was a system in which Indian leaders were also there. There was viceroy, the head, and there were like parliament many members of imperial legislative council, provincial legislative councils were also there. So Indians learned how to work in institutions. Institution means legislature, executive, and judiciary. So these institutions, how they are working during the British period itself. So this is also important, that working in institution we learned during the British period. And then after that we read many of the constitution, the Constituent Assembly members, they took some ideas from French Revolution, liberty, equality, fraternity, such ideas. From Britain, we took parliamentary form of government. We adopted, this is something good in Britain. We adopted that thing. Good thing in French Revolution, we adopted that. Russian Revolution, the 5-year plan, economic planning, we adopted from there. So we adopted different things from different constitutions. This has also helped in making of our constitution. Clear?